Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Hello.
Hello.
Are you Mike Jones?
Are you Mike Jones?
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
No, I'm not.
No, I'm not.
I'm Tom Wilson.
I'm Tom Wilson.
How is Tom?
How is Tom?
How is your wife?
How is your wife?
How is your husband?
How is your husband?
She is very well, thank you.
She is very well, thank you.
How are you?
How are you?
Fine, thanks. And you?
Fine, thanks. And you?
I'm fine, too.
I'm fine, too.
Good night, Mary.
Good night, Mary.
Goodbye, John.
Goodbye, John.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
See you later.
See you later.
I have to go now.
I have to go now.
Let me introduce myself.
Let me introduce myself.
How do you do?
How do you do?
How do you spell it?
How do you spell it?
What's your name?
What's your name?
May I have your name?
May I have your name?
My name is Thomas.
My name is Thomas.
Just call me Tom.
Just call me Tom.
What's your family name?
What's your family name?
My family name is Johnson.
My family name is Johnson.
This is Jack. He's my classmate.
This is Jack. He's my classmate.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too.
Nice to meet you, too.
Who is the lady in white dress?
Who is the lady in white dress?
Could you introduce me to her?
Could you introduce me to her?
George, let me introduce my friend to you.
George, let me introduce my friend to you.
How old are you?
How old are you?
I'm 28 years old.
I'm 28 years old.
I'm 2 years younger than my brother.
I'm 2 years younger than my brother.
Mr. Davis is still in his 30s.
Mr. Davis is still in his 30s.
My elder brother is 1 year older than her husband.
My elder brother is 1 year older than her husband.
My father is over 80 years old.
My father is over 80 years old.
They'll have a party for their 15th wedding anniversary.
They'll have a party for their 15th wedding anniversary.
He looks much younger than he is.
He looks much younger than he is.
I came here when I was 22.
I came here when I was 22.
I started going to school at the age of 7.
I started going to school at the age of 7.
He's still a boy after all.
He's still a boy after all.
Most of them are less than 25.
Most of them are less than 25.
I guess he's about 40.
I guess he's about 40.
He is the youngest in the family.
He's the youngest in the family.
She's going to be 20 next month.
She's going to be 20 next month.
What's your motherland?
What's your motherland?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
What's your nationality?
What's your nationality?
What's the population of India?
What's the population of India?
What's the capital of your country?
What's the capital of your country?
Are you Chinese?
Are you Chinese?
I come from Spain.
I come from Spain.
I was born in UK and brought up in the USA.
I was born in UK and brought up in the USA.
How many states are there in your country?
How many states are there in your country?
The capital of my country is Paris.
The capital of my country is Paris.
My country is rich in natural resources.
My country is rich in natural resources.
That nation is famous for its tourism.
That nation is famous for its tourism.
What do you do?
What do you do?
I'm a lawyer.
I'm a lawyer.
What does he do?
What does he do?
He's a photographer.
He's a photographer.
Who are you?
Who are you?
I'm Kathy.
I'm Kathy.
Who is the guy over there?
Who is the guy over there?
He is Tim.
He's Tim.
Is that boy a student?
Is that boy a student?
No, he isn't.
No, he isn't.
Can she be a teacher?
Can she be a teacher?
Yes, I think so.
Yes, I think so.
I really don't know.
I really don't know.
I have no idea about it.
I have no idea about it.
Is this your bag?
Is this your bag?
No, it isn't. Yes, it is.
No, it isn't. Yes, it is.
Whose cell phone is this?
Whose cell phone is this?
It's Brian's.
It's Brian's.
Is that an apple?
Is that an apple?
No, it isn't. It's a pear.
No, it isn't. It's a pear.
What's this?
What's this?
It's a pencil.
It's a pencil.
It's an apple.
It's an apple.
Which is the right size?
Which is the right size?
Where's the post office?
Where's the post office?
How big is your house?
How big is your house?
How long is the street?
How long is the street?
What's the name of the dog?
What's the name of the dog?
What do you call this in English?
What do you call this in English?
What is the color of your new shoes?
What is the color of your new shoes?
Is this your pen? I found it under the desk.
Is this your pen? I found it under the desk.
No. Mine is red.
No. Mine is red.
Where is my bag?
Where's my bag?
On the desk.
On the desk.
Over there.
Over there.
Are these notebooks all yours?
Are these notebooks all yours?
Some of them are mine.
Some of them are mine.
Which is your wallet?
Which is your wallet?
The bigger one.
The bigger one.
The one on your right.
The one on your right.
Do you know where I've put my bag?
Do you know where I've put my bag?
Is this yours?
Is this yours?
Yes, it's mine.
Yes, it's mine.
What's the date today?
What's the date today?
It's March the 16th, 2016.
It's March the 16th, 2016.
What day is it today?
What day is it today?
It's Tuesday today.
It's Tuesday today.
What month is this?
What month is this?
It's October.
It's October.
What year is this?
What year is this?
It's the year of 2017.
It's the year of 2017.
It's been 4 years since I last saw you.
It's been 4 years since I last saw you.
Does the store open at 10 a.m. on weekdays?
Does the store open at 10 a.m. on weekdays?
It opens at 9 a.m. on weekdays, but at 10 at weekends.
It opens at 9 a.m. on weekdays, but at 10 at weekends.
What will you do during this weekend?
What will you do during this weekend?
I'll work for the next 6 days.
I'll work for the next 6 days.
What did you do last week?
What did you do last week?
What will you do the day after tomorrow?
What will you do the day after tomorrow?
What day is today?
What day is today?
Today is Wednesday.
Today is Wednesday.
What's the date today?
What's the date today?
Today is April 27th.
Today is April 27th.
How long will the sale last?
How long will the sale last?
Only 2 days.
Only 2 days.
What time?
What time?
You name the time.
You name the time.
When were you born?
When were you born?
I was born on August 1st, 1992.
I was born on August 1st, 1992.
Please check the date.
Please check the date.
I'll be back in 6 days.
I'll be back in 6 days.
I'll meet you tomorrow.
I'll meet you tomorrow.
Do you know the exact date?
Do you know the exact date?
What were you doing this time last year?
What were you doing this time last year?
What time is it now?
What time is it now?
It's 4 o'clock.
It's 4 o'clock.
It's 9:30.
It's 9:30.
It's 1 o'clock sharp.
It's 1 o'clock sharp.
It's not 5 o'clock.
It's not 5 o'clock.
It's 6:15.
It's 6:15.
It's 8 minutes to 4.
It's 8 minutes to 4.
What's the time by your watch?
What's the time by your watch?
It is 6 o'clock on my watch.
It is 6 o'clock on my watch.
My watch is 3 minutes fast.
My watch is 3 minutes fast.
We must arrive there on time.
We must arrive there on time.
There are only 3 minutes left.
There are only 3 minutes left.
The meeting is put off.
The meeting is put off.
The flight is delayed.
The flight is delayed.
Can you finish your work ahead of time?
Can you finish your work ahead of time?
Hello, can I see Mr. Peter?
Hello, can I see Mr. Peter?
Do you have an appointment?
Do you have an appointment?
Sorry, I don't.
Sorry, I don't.
Yes, at 2 p.m.
Yes, at 2 p.m.
He is on the phone.
He's on the phone.
Sorry, Mr. Peter can't see you now.
Sorry, Mr. Peter can't see you now.
Would you wait here for a minute?
Would you wait here for a minute?
Would you like something to drink?
Would you like something to drink?
Tea, please.
Tea, please.
Mr. Peter, Mr. Smith is here.
Mr. Peter, Mr. Smith is here.
You may go in now.
You may go in now.
Nice to see you, my old friend.
Nice to see you, my old friend.
How have you been these years?
How have you been these years?
Do you still remember that Halloween?
Do you still remember that Halloween?
You've changed little.
You've changed little.
Do you speak English?
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Yes, a little.
He speaks English fluently.
He speaks English fluently.
Your English is very good.
Your English is very good.
You speak English pretty well.
You speak English pretty well.
Your pronunciation is excellent.
Your pronunciation is excellent.
Are you a native speaker of English?
Are you a native speaker of English?
My native language is Spanish.
My native language is Spanish.
Can you write in English?
Can you write in English?
How long have you studied English?
How long have you studied English?
How can I improve my spoken English?
How can I improve my spoken English?
He has a strong accent.
He has a strong accent.
I have some difficulty in expressing myself.
I have some difficulty in expressing myself.
Do you like traveling?
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like it a great deal.
Yes, I like it a great deal.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I'm cooking.
I'm cooking.
I'm reading a magazine.
I'm reading a magazine.
Are you watching TV now?
Are you watching TV now?
Yes, I'm watching Channel 12.
Yes, I'm watching Channel 12.
No, I'm listening to the radio.
No, I'm listening to the radio.